How to change notification pop-up style on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to show the notification pop-up style with the brief or details, then here's how you can do these settings. Super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change the notification pop-up style, you just need to go and open up the settings app from your phone. And for the settings, go ahead and scroll down a little bit from here and then go and tap on notification. Inside the notification, you'll get to see the option notification pop-up style. Just go ahead and tap on these, and inside this one, you'll get to see two different options. The brief is selected. Brief is only going to show you the notification, but if you select details, this is going to show you the details notification with the specific message or any other notification. So you can actually select your preferred style from here. And this is how you can change the notification pop-up style on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you found this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.